Well, hi everybody, Ray Wood here for Jigglar. How you doing? Quick video today. I want to show you how to create a fully compliant, boostable Facebook post. Now, if you'd like to see the full rundown on exactly how to create a real estate ad that works, and I'll give you some clues. It's all around your copy. There's some very, very important do's and don'ts. I want to send you to youtube.com/Jigglar, and I did a webinar yesterday with social media maven Rebecca Mountain, who is just a guru in this space, and she has got it going on. And I want to say, I've done quite a lot of work with Facebook, and I'm going to be totally honest, not a lot of it has ever made sense, right? I've started doing ads. I've started wasting money like a lot of agents. I've posted the wrong things. I've been using videos when I should be using stills. I've been using the wrong copy, the wrong layout. I've been ticking the wrong boxes. But it's a lead generation specific thing, and it's a thing of beauty if you get it right. So if you just go to videos, and you will see this video here. How to get real estate listings with Facebook. That's the one. She will take you straight through everything, right? So for the moment, I'm going to show you how to jump into Jigglar, and I'm going to show you the templates you want to be able to use to create your real estate Facebook ads. Okay, first off, I'm going to go to. Okay, so I'm going to go to my dashboard. I'm going to click Just Listed, and I'm going to jump in, and I'm going to look for a Facebook post image. So I can scroll down, or I can just click that one, and it's just generating the preview actually, because the guys have just loaded it up. So I'm going to click this one here, and it looks like this. And it looks like this. There you go. So you can create everything you want to do here. Personally, I wouldn't go crazy with logos. Just give people one simple thing to do. And if you watch Rebecca's and my webinar from yesterday, you'll see exactly what you need to do. So this is a beauty here. You can quickly just obviously edit the background if you need to. So there we are. I've just highlighted that. I'm going to put in a fresh image here, which looks a little bit like could be this one here. As an example, I'm going to put that in. That looks dreadful because it's a very fuzzy one. In fact, that's a good point. Just make sure that your images are nice and clean and look awesome. There's no excuse for a crappy image nowadays. You've got to have everything looking sharp and good to go. So everything is listed there. You can just change the address, 123 Smith Street. Just listed, see below for details. Easy as that, and then you can save, and you can publish, and you can get into it. So that is one in the exit without saving. Love that new feature. That is one in the just listed department. Let's have a look in social media for a sec. Right here. Now with Facebook, you need to be media compliant, right? So you need to be Facebook compliant, which means you can only have 20% of the copy. So 20% of your image is copy. And that's really important, because if you break that rule, Facebook's not going to let you put your ad in. Okay, so here are the Facebook images now, just scrolling down. And some of the new ones that we've just done are this one here, this one here, this one here. And they're super easy to jump in and check now, or jump in and edit. Now let me just do something here. I'm going to just do a quick Google search, because there's a website I'd love to show you. Let's see if we can find a link. Facebook post checker. Okay, let's see if we can find that. Here we are. Image text check. Upload an image. All right, sweet. So if you put Facebook post checker into a Google search, you'll get this page will come up, and it's facebook.com/ads/tools/text_overlay, and you can quickly upload the image that you want to put in there, and that will run a check for you. Okay, and it'll tell you over here what's going on. See, if your image is wrong or incorrect or doesn't comply, Facebook are going to say your ad reach is going to be lower. So you're wasting money. And your ad may not run if it doesn't comply. So, I mean, look, Facebook is still going to take your money, but you're just not going to get as much bang for your Facebook bucks. So make sure you use that one just to test. Very important. Okay, where were we? Let me get back into the creative department here, and let me show you actually something that I did recently. So if you want to just create something yourself, all you need to do is jump in the team templates into the blank section. So click on blank. Let me show you. Mine takes a little bit because I've got hundreds of images here and stuff that I've done. So here we go. I'm clicking on blank down the bottom like that. And I'm clicking over here, Facebook post. And I'm making sure that my copy is just really, under 20%. I don't want to take any risks with that. But guys, the thing is, you don't need to have a lot of copy on your image. You don't want to throw too much at people. Let's just keep in mind what we want here. What do we want? We want them to opt in. And if you watch the video that Rebecca and I did, you will see how she sets things up for a 5-question opt-in form, which is a really cool idea because it instantly qualifies all of your leads. Are they a complete and utter waste of time, or are they highly qualified and ready to go? Asking somebody to fill out a questionnaire will do it, because the time wasters and tire kickers will not go there. So make sure, again, you check out the video like I showed you at the start of this one. Okay, so there we're going to put some text into this one here. What color do we want this? Pick a color, Ray. I'm going to go with red. Select it. All right, let's get some copy going. Oh, sorry, what am I doing? I'm meant to be getting type. I'm clicking over here on my text tool. I'm clicking here, and I'm going Double Bay, luxury. Double Bay is a suburb of Sydney. Hi to anybody from Double Bay or nearby. Now, I'm going through a little bit of a Montserrat phase at the moment. I'm liking it. It's this Montserrat. It's this this font here. As you can see, there's a stack of fonts here in Jigglar. Now, the thing I love about this font is that it looks very classy, and I'm going to make that even a little bit bigger. Let's bump that up a little bit, shall we? Double Bay luxury. And it's going down, so there we are. Now, what I can also do here, if I highlight it, I can make it bold. I think I like it bold. I like it regular or bold as well, so it doesn't matter. Let's make it in white so it stands out, and I can't decide. Yeah, okay, that looks good. Now, for my photo, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of my email continually smashing through. Bang, Costco. Oh, interesting. Some Costco deals. Okay, now I'm going to place an image in here. Now, this is the way to place an image. I like to do this. This is the lazy way. Grab your shape like that and put it over exactly where you want it to go. That looks pretty good. I'm going to move that to the back. So what do? Highlight it, and I grab my stack tool, and I go move to bottom. There we go. So I'm going to leave that highlighted, not highlighted, highlighted, not highlighted, highlighted. I'm going to highlight. I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to find a sample image. Where's a nice sample image of a Bondi home? Does this look like a Bondi? Ooh, maybe that one does. In fact, I actually think that property is in Bondi. Interesting. All right. So I'm going to grab that there like that. And pretty much that's all you need to do, right? Because you're going to have copy in your ad. So you can do that and create it, and you're good to go. Want to do it another way? Sure. Let's grab a circle and let's stick it up there like that. And let's put that in a certain color. And I'm going to make that red as well. Use my little slider over there on my palette. I love that tool. And I'm going to grab this copy. Command C, I'm going to Mac. Control C if you're on a PC. Control C, Control V. And there it is. I'm going to click off the canvas, click back on it to highlight it. And I haven't got as much room here, right? So I need to reduce it. Where's my font size? Bang, 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 bang. Double Bay Luxury. I love it. What do I want to do with that? I think I should center it. Okay, so that's centered. That's pretty good. Yep. Why don't we make it bold? Make it stand out a little bit, this one. Let's make it bold. There we go. Nice. Double Bay Luxury. Now let's twist that a little bit on the side so it looks a bit cool. Now let's get rid of this bad boy. Done. Bang. I'm just going to grab my image here, and don't need the blue background in this case. Where's my photo? There it is. I do need the blue background because if I did you see that? If I delete that, it deletes my photo. Yowza. And I want to make that a little bit bigger. Now, where's my button gone? Oh yeah, all I need to do is use this stack, move to bottom. Move to bottom. Grab the one behind it, move to bottom. There it is, move to bottom. Bang. Now I'll move that one to the bottom as well. And there it is. And you're good to go. It's basically that easy. So you can create your own, or you can jump into Jigglar and use a template, whatever you feel like doing. I would suggest that you move towards some kind of consistent thing. Use your colors. If your agency is a specific color, I would encourage you to use a color that works for your agency, whatever that color may be. You can tweak it in here pretty easily as well. So, and watch for, I didn't save it then, and just watch. You want to make sure that it's the right color on the right background, which you can just go and do like so. Anyway, so that's the scoop. You've got a heap of choices and a heap of options, but can I beg, can I bribe, can I cajole you to watch this video and just learn exactly how it's done? Where's my video? Here it is. How to generate leads from your listings. Now, you're marketing all listings. That's the only kind of marketing that you're going to be doing with this, because we've proven it's the fastest way to win leads. Are you going to get a lot of buyer leads? Yes, of course you will, but let's remember they're qualified if you follow the format that Rebecca teaches us in the video. The other thing to remember, and I don't believe this has ever changed, and nobody's ever challenged me on it, that around 30% of your buyers, so 3 in 10 of your buyers, are going to be sellers. Sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's lower, but that is an average. So capitalize on that. You've got to follow up. The leads aren't going to magically materialize into listings. You need to follow up. And you know what? If you had to call 100 people from 100 leads to get 5 sellers, you'd do it, right? It's a no-brainer. If you're making 10 grand per deal, that's a $50,000 exercise. Of course you make 100 calls. So smash through the calls. Get yourself a great qualifying script. In fact, I'll have a look at that and come back to you in the future with something like that, and go from there. So that's the scoop. Enjoy. Let's dream big, take names, and get a heap of listings, guys. That's the mission. That's why Jigglar is here to help you. Have a great day. Cheers.